Good morning and Assalamualaikum my lovely kids. Here's teacher Amina with new maths lesson. How are you all? I hope you all are shining. Yes, very good. Okay, now children, let's get ready for maths lesson. Okay, now here you can see numbers on the screen. We will sing number song first. Are you all ready? Okay, now start. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Very good. Okay, now children, let's revise the previous numbers which we have learned. Okay, now here you can see a worksheet on which we will count and match. We will count the dots and we will match it with the number. Fine? Okay, now here is the first box where you can see some black dots. We will count them. Okay, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 black dots, and we will find number 5 from here. Where is number 5? Is this? No. This? Yes, this is number 5. Now let's match it with number 5. Now we have matched it with number 5. Very good. Okay, now here you can see second box. Let's count the dots in it. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 dots, and we will find the number 3 from here. Where is number 3? Here. Okay, let's match it. Now we have matched 3 black dots with number 3. Now the same way with the third box. Let's count with me. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Let's match it with number 4. Where is number 4? Here it is. Now match it with number 4. Very good. Okay, now second last box. Now first of all we will count the dots. 1, 2. 2 dots. Let's match it with number 2. Where is number 2? This is number 2. Very good. Now here is the last dot. Match it. How many dots? 1 dot. Match it with number 1. Where is number 1? This is number 1. Match it. Very good. Now children, this is the way you will do this worksheet at home. Okay, my lesson is finished. Bye bye. Thank you so much.